my name is Allison Bornstein. I'm a stylist based out of New York City, and today I'm at Express checking out their knit kit collection. The knit kit is a curated collection of super soft knits. For example, this set, you could wear this as an amazing suit, so comfortable, it feels like you're wearing pajamas, but it looks very chic. You could also do this with jeans and a t-shirt. I love a blazer. I like to do a more boxy blazer with something fitted underneath, and I love this little knit fitted bodysuit. And then I just wanted to get a little bit of color, so I took this amazing ribbed green sweater. Just like adds a little color, a little texture, just kind of makes the look feel put together and a little bit more unexpected. So this is a look that I like to call secret sweatpants, because you see me walking down the street, you think I look really chic, really put together, but really I'm wearing a knit pant and knit bra top and just like a very comfortable shirt. I love a blazer with a little check pattern because it just gives some texture to a look, as opposed to like a solid color, which can be a little flat. This just kind of makes a look feel more dynamic. I love it with denim. You can also do the full suit look, which is really cute. And don't be afraid to mix like a chocolate brown with a gray, with a black, with like a camel back. It's nice to mix all these neutral colors together and make a look feel really fun and interesting. So this is a real modern spin on a classic. I love that it is like the soft, amazing knit, and then we have like the more structured shoulders. It's kind of like a blazer, but also a cardigan. Love the combo. And we have like this little cropped knit cami, which is great. And you can do it, of course, with jeans like I'm doing, or you can do it with this amazing knit skirt and just kind of create a whole look. I also just love this burgundy color. This is like a great non-color color because it's kind of like a neutral. It goes with everything, but it still gives that richness. This is a super soft double knit suit. It doesn't wrinkle at all. I love this because I feel really like easy, but it feels like a suit, which I really enjoy. It also feels really light, and like I said, it just does not wrinkle at all. So you could be sitting at the office wearing this all day and then go out. Sometimes a double-breasted blazer can feel a little bit boxy, but this one is really nice because it kind of gives a little cinch in the waist, which is really flattering.